Hello, hello, hello. Another day, another WOD. And today's WOD is called Dumbbells, and it's going to be so much fun. Trust me. So let me go ahead and screen share. That way you can see what it is, and then I will go through the movements and modifications with you. So like I said, it's called dumbbells. And so you are going to need yourself some dumbbells. And if you've got your 3 different sets, a lightweight, a medium weight, and a heavier weight, on this one, you maybe want to go either light and heavy, maybe medium and heavy. Give yourself a really good strength workout with this. And so what is it exactly? It is 6 deadlifts, 6 goblet squats, 6 dumbbell shoulder press, and then 24 hop overs. And this is a 12-minute AMRAP. And AMRAP stands for as many rounds and reps as possible. And so at the end of this, your score is going to be how many rounds you made it through, plus how many reps. Now, you don't add those 2 numbers together. You keep them separate because that gives you the information as far as how many rounds you made it through. And so yeah, make sure to just write it as number plus number. So let's go ahead and talk about the equipment that you need and a couple of modifications that you can do. So first, make sure you got yourself a handy dandy bead counter, because every time you make it through this series, this set of movements, you're going to move one of these beads. And at the end of it, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds, 6 rounds, 7 rounds, plus however many reps. So you need a bead counter, and then you need your dumbbells. Like I said, you can just do a set if you want to of either your light ones or your medium ones. These you'll be using for your shoulder press. And then you can use both of them if you want to for your deadlifts. You could use both of them for your squats. Or if you had a heavier set, you can just use one for those, which I'll show you in just a minute. Now, the dumbbell hop overs, you're just going to hop over a dumbbell. Once again, if you don't have any equipment at your house, that's okay. You can still do this workout. Go get a gallon of milk, okay, or a gallon of water, or cans of soup, even bags of rice. You know, you can kind of use that as a sandbag, like anything that you have around your house that you can get a good grip on that is heavy, that's going to give you some resistance. Use it. And in fact, drop it in the comments what other ideas that you guys have, so that way I can throw some out to people who are saying, I don't have equipment, so I can't work out at home. No, you absolutely can. You just got to get a little bit creative. So let's go ahead and talk about the movements and show you some modifications. So dumbbells starts with 6 deadlifts. So what is a deadlift? Down a little bit so you can see my feet. So for your deadlift, you're going to stand with your feet underneath your hips, a little bit closer together, and a slight knee bend. So just like that. Now you want to have your shoulder blades pushed back, your back engaged, a flat back. And what you're going to do is you're just going to lean over. You're going to touch those weights on the ground. My back is still flat. It's engaged. My knees are bent. And then I stand up tall at the top. So as you go down, you're bending your knees, you're keeping the weight close to your body the whole time and standing up straight. So not out like this, that's going to put bad strain on your back, give you bad posture. Okay. So knees are bent, back is engaged. I'm bending over, I'm touching the heads to the ground, and I'm standing back up. Now, if you can't go down that far, that's okay. Just keep your movements under control. So 6 of those. And then you're going to go into a goblet squat. So once again, you can have both of them if you want, or you can go down to one weight. You're going to hold that weight in the palms of your hands. You're going to widen those feet out a little bit. Remember, with our squats, the first thing that moves is our butt goes back, and we're going to do 6 goblet squats with the weight in our hands. Okay, now notice that they're not on my shoulder blades. They're just right here in between my body. Then you're going to grab your weight and you're going to do 6 dumbbell shoulder press. So for this, it's all in your shoulders, all in your arms. You're going to press straight above your head. You're going to lower it back down. Notice my feet are shoulder width apart. I have flat feet. I'm not on my toes. If you do need to do a little push to get that weight moving, you can absolutely do a push press. Use that momentum to move the weight from your shoulders to your above your head. Now, what you don't want your arm out here. You want to make sure that your biceps are right next to your ears. Okay, so 6 shoulder press. Then you're going to drop one of those weights. You're going to grab the other one, and you're going to do your 24 dumbbell hop overs. Now, we've done these before, just 2-footed hops over the top. If that's a little bit much, you can absolutely step touch just like that, or you can just hop, get your posture, get your stability, hop again. Doesn't have to be fast. Now, if you don't have something to hop over, maybe that makes you a little bit nervous, you don't have to hop over anything. You absolutely can just hop in place if you want to. Pretend like you're jump roping and just get 24 hops. Now, you're gonna set a timer for 12 minutes. Look at that, I'm already out of breath. And all I am is showing you the walkthrough. So this is gonna be a good one. You're gonna set a timer for 12 minutes. And so if you haven't yet downloaded SmartWOD, be sure that you do that. It looks like this. Just black with a little rainbow stopwatch. And you're just gonna set a 4-time workout. And you'll just set the timer for 12 minutes. And your goal is to get through this as many times as you can. And then you're gonna record your score. So let me share the workout one more time with you. You're gonna do 6 deadlifts, 6 goblet squats, 6 dumbbell shoulder press, 24 hop overs. So maybe we're looking at like a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes per round. So your goal should be to get about 5, 6, 7 rounds by the end of this. And so as soon as you finish those 24 hop overs, you're going to move 1 bead, then you're going to do 6, 6, 6, 24, move 1, 6, 6, 6, 24, move 1. And so when you get all done, let's say that you end like this, you have 5 rounds plus maybe you did 6 deadlifts and 4 goblet squats. So your score is going to be 6 plus 10 because you had 6 rounds plus 10 reps, and you keep those numbers separate. Don't add them together. And then what's nice about this workout is the next time you do it, you now have a score to beat. Maybe you go heavier weights. Maybe you keep it the exact same, but now your movements are more fluid. You're stronger. So you're moving those deadlifts, the goblet squats, the shoulder press a lot faster. Maybe you've got more confidence. You're able to do the hop overs, not just have it to step left and right. But make sure that this is your workout, that you modify it according to your needs. And most importantly, that you're being safe and you're having fun. I hope that you enjoyed this workout, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.